Alright folks, so I think this is so important I'm going to do a quick video on this. You have these polishing sticks and you can get these at any drugstore in the US in the nail department. And if you look at the coloring, this is a pretty standard setup. On one side you'll have a gray, and then on the other side you'll have a dark gray and then a white, right? Knives. This is considered a polishing stick, okay? And they're flexible, right? So you're looking at this knife right here, and you can see these stripes right here, all right? You kind of see, and look what it's done over here. You got some striping right there, and here we'll prop this up. In order to remove that, we're going to have to take off just a little bit of material. But it's going to be such a small amount of material, it's not going to damage the knife. It's going to be something you don't even really notice. I'm thinking this is going to require a little bit of aggression. So I'm actually, with my experience, I'm just going to go straight to this dark gray. All right, so we're going to just sand it down a little bit, and we're going to see what she looks like after we finish. And the camera might move just a little bit, but I want you guys to see this. All right, now check that out. All right, so cool, we've removed that, but you still got some down in there. We're going to use the white side, which tends to be more flexible, and it's going to work its way down into there without removing too much from the knife. Not actually, see most of the micro scratches are gone. See on that side? And then right about there, see where it's all shiny right here? You got some micro scratches that we could still work out. Okay? When it comes to the wood, same thing. Wood's actually a little bit easier. I'm going to use the white. All right, so we're going to fast forward this once again. As you can see, when I'm doing this, the knife kind of changes color a little bit because we are working on wood. And as long as you work your way down through the various grits that you got, it's just going to come out really nice. If anything, it'll make the knife look better than it was before, but you also want to make sure that you're not sanding it down to the point where maybe you're exposing some rivets on the bolsters, because sometimes the different softnesses of metal / wood or different handle materials can react with one another. So to take a closer look at this, you can see the knife. Now that's the original side, right? One that hasn't been treated. You can kind of see the marks still on the knife from the nylon retaining straps of a knife roll. And yeah, the wood looks absolutely beautiful. Now that was the spot, the worst spot, and I zoomed in on that. And as you can see, it's just beautiful. Now you can still see some micro cracks, but you got to remember the iPhone shows all types of detail. Now when you're holding this in your hand, it's just, it's just a absolutely perfect knife. And I did work the other side, and the knife came out absolutely beautiful. Really happy with it. So I wanted to demonstrate what these polishing sticks could do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, a little bit more detail, because a lot of folks are really scared to touch their knives. You ever go to a knife show and you see everyone handling everybody's knives, you wonder how they keep their knives looking good. These polishing sticks are used by a lot of folks. So I hope this helps and makes your collection look better, feel better, and it's kind of fun to do. So take care. Doggo running out.